This is called a blank, blank, blank. And you should be able to figure out how many square inches that contains. Brett and Loveless.
Neo angle shower.
It is a neo-angle shower. Most of the neo-angle showers are constructed square. So this wall here would be 3 feet. This wall here would be 3 feet. And when you look at this, you could truly figure out, because your measurement for your 900 square inches, for those of you who don't know, that any shower base has to be a minimum of 900 square inches. You're going to see questions where you're going to have to figure out how many square inches make up that neo-angle shower base. Even though it's in the shape of a triangle, if that wall was 36, if that wall was 36 over there, these are 36 as well. That's a 45-degree angle. You should be able to separate this part. And it's not simply by using the area of a triangle formula, which is A times B divided by 2. There's a little bit more work involved because there's neo-angle that are prefabricated like this, neo-angles with membranes, neo-angles with copper pans. You're the plumber, you're the professional, you're going in there making sure it complies with the code, because you're going to see places where people want to put shower bases in that don't have enough space. And you're the stopgap when that happens.